Hello students, I wanted to give you an update on different ways that you can access the textbook in this course, and then also some other tools that Pearson has available for you to be successful. One of the things that I want to point out is that the textbook is clicked here from the eText, but that just opens up the entire textbook just like you would open up or pull a book off a bookshelf. So I find the easiest way to go to is actually chapter contents here on the left. When you go to that, you'll see a few things. The link that says, that has this little person with a mark is hidden from students, as the pop-up just says. When you click on this, it gives you a lot of other things that you can look at, including support. If you're having issues specifically with that, reach out to me as well. How do you enter answers shows you different things. This program is designed to enter math in very nicely, so you will see that it works out quite well. Over here on the left-hand side, there's a link to the My Notes. I already provided that on the main page, but if you would like to see where I'm grabbing that from, you can as well. And then Chapter R here. And then if I click on this is just the entirety of Chapter R. It helps out with a bunch of different things, homework, quiz tests, work in your study plan, which I'll talk about here shortly. All of these things over here is, again, just like you were to open the beginning of the chapter. So if you want to really dial into, say, section R.1, click on that, and then you will get all of the things that are specific to section R.1. What I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the eText. What I've noticed on Chromebooks is that this takes a while to load, especially if other students are loading it as well, or if there's just a heavy Wi-Fi usage. If you're at home, like I am right now, it might not be as big of an issue, but just a heads up on that. A few things I want to point out in R.1, and this is in every section, is that at the very beginning of each section, there's actually already a pre-recorded section video that talks about everything. Now, this is in depth, and this is always available. So the note videos that I'm recording for you, they're going to be of a lesser quality overall, just because if students have questions or whatnot, they'll be included in the video. I'm moving around as I'm in class teaching, so there's going to be some noises as I'm writing. So this is actually a better, easier, and faster way to get to the videos. So this is an overview video of the entire part. What I'm going to do is scroll down to where it says example 1. You'll notice that on your guide out notes, it already has example 1 as well, and it is the same examples. You can watch someone go over these particular examples. Again, this is just like what I would be recording in class. So one of the biggest differences is that these example videos are similar to what I am recording, but these videos here are different. This is more encompassing and adds additional details. So do check this out for each of the sections. It's very helpful to get you where you need in the course. The next part that I want to share with you, if I go to homework and exams, this is the different homework and exams that'll pop up. This is a different page for me than you will see, but this is a way for you to kind of see and access. This is where you would access it if you're not accessing it from the main screen. I already have had students complete things, so I can't show you the gradebook on my side because it'll actually show student scores. But if you click the gradebook on your side, that is how you can see past results that you've completed. And if there's ever an issue or something and you need to send me a screenshot of a problem or whatnot, please access it through there. Sometimes if you go into it a different way from this screen, for example, what will happen is it will think you're trying to start a new attempt, especially on quizzes and tests. So because that will give you some problems, just make sure that you go to the gradebook. I already talked about eText. Again, it's another way to get the textbook. The Skills for Success is a wonderful step-by-step guide if you're having some issues in online courses at all. Skills for Success is wonderful. Study Plan is a very specific plan that's designed for each student. So if it notices, Pearson notices that you're missing some problems, it will update the study plan to what you need to focus on. The study plan is a great tool to use to really dial in on certain problems that you're having, as opposed to just redoing an entire assignment. And that's all I have for today. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great day.